A reducer bushing, like this one, is similar to a reducing coupling in that it can join pipes of two different sizes together. The big difference is a reducing coupling is done in one. The pipe is glued into both sides, but a bushing has both a male and a female side, so it's going to require another fitting. For example, if I wanted to connect 3/4 inch PVC pipe to my 1-inch PVC elbow, I would glue my bushing into the elbow and then glue my pipe into the bushing. This makes them great space savers. As you can see, this takes up much less space than a reducing coupling like this one would. Reducing bushings are available with any combination of slip or pipe threaded connections. Though it may be tempting, a bushing will not fit inside of PVC pipe. You must use a socket fitting. If this video was helpful, give us a like below. If you have any questions left, please don't hesitate to drop a line in the comments. I like to read and reply to every question you receive.